Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to delete a boot entry. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Use BCDEdit command, open CMD or command prompt as an administrator. Type, and press enter to list all boot menu entries. Identify the entry for the removed OS, and note its identifier, a string enclosed in curly braces. Type. Replace identifier with the actual identifier, and press enter to remove the boot entry. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.